In this video, we will have an introduction on Terramove and its basic features. First, we must log into the database project. Then, by going to Data View, Master Plan, select the area we want to view. Options, select the layers we want to view. And then press Draw. We can see the instruments and 3D points of our area. As we see, each geotechnical instrument has its own symbol on the horizontal plan. We can navigate in this area and zoom in and out. We can also zoom to a specific point or instrument, by pressing the Zoom to Point button and selecting the point or instrument we want to zoom in.